Looking at the properties of an object can be done a couple of ways. If you select an object, such as this line, right-click and choose Properties, you get the Properties window here. And we can see that the color of this line is set to by layer, and the layer is set to green in color. The layer is titled Parking, and the line type is by layer, but we can see that that's set to a dashed line. So we could even come down and set that ourselves if we wanted to, or again set the color if we wanted to. The other way is to run the list command. LAST, hit enter, select the entities you want to list, and that'll open it up in a new window. And again, we can see we're on the parking layer, the color is set to green, and the line type is set to -2. If I run the list command again, pick this line, we can see it's just on the 0 layer, the color and line type are set to by layer. So these are just default lines. If I want to match the properties of one entity to another, I can use the copy entity formatting command. So I'll click that. I'm going to first choose the entity with the properties I want to keep. So I'll pick my green line. And then I want to select the entities that I want to copy the properties to. I could pick one, or a window to select many. You can see the properties are automatically moved over. And then hit escape. This will also work for text as well. So if I copy entity formatting, I'll pick this lot text, which you can see is yellow with a different text style than lot 5 over here. And this is also on the text layer, while lot 5 I left on the 0 layer. So now I'm going to pick lot 5. We can see it copied the properties over. We're on the text layer. The color is set to yellow, or that layer's color is set to yellow. And the text style I set was one that I created, but using a different font. You can also apply this from text to lines. So if I do a copy entity formatting, pick my yellow text here, and choose my line, we can now list that line. And you can see that it's been moved to the text layer and the color is by layer, but in this case I have the color of the text layer set to yellow. So this is a handy tool that can make things very quick if you don't want to go around manually changing the properties of several entities in your drawing. Just do a few key areas and then match those properties to other objects of your choice.